Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to tint the app icons to match the color of your iPhone. With iOS 26, Apple has expanded the whole screen customization by allowing app icons to match the color of your iPhone. On the latest iPhone model in cosmic orange, for example, app icons now reflect the device's vibrant finish. That said, let's get started. So first we have to long press on an empty area of the home screen to trigger the jiggle mode. Then you have to hit the edit button located in the top left corner of the screen. After that, you have to choose the customize option in the drop down menu. And then you have to choose the tinted option from the customization panel. Then we have to tap the far left iPhone icon under the two horizontal color sliders. After that, you have to choose the light, dark, auto option based on your preference, and that's about it. Some users with older iPhone models running iOS 26 have reported that the color matching feature doesn't work. This is likely a software bug that Apple should address in a future update. So, if you have run into this annoying problem, make sure to update your device as soon as the update is available. It's also important to point out that iOS 26 also lets you match the app icon colors to your iPhone case. Just tap on the button immediately to the right of the iPhone color tint option. Keep in mind that this feature only works with official Apple MagSafe cases containing an NFC chip that identifies the color vibrant, and that's about it. So that's how you can easily tint the app icons to match the color of your iPhone. Now that you have unlocked this pretty cool feature, make the most of it to amp up the customization game on your iPhone, and I'll catch you up in the next one.